Hello and welcome. Today we're going to be talking about the Purlisse Blue Lotus Balancing Moisturizer. This one in particular has SPF 30, I believe, if you can see it. Let's see if you can even... It's written in yellow, so it's a little hard to see, but it has SPF 30 in it. It says prevent on it, and it's supposed to protect and moisturize. It claims to absorb easily with no white tint, perfect for under makeup. And then at the bottom, it's recommended for normal, dry, and sensitive skin, if you can see. This particular size as well is a good kind of travel size. It's a 1.7 ounce or a 50 milliliter container, which is kind of important to just know your numbers. One thing I definitely want to make sure is they offer this without SPF, so that is it's basically exactly the same product, but it's without SPF. This one kind of obviously states on the front of it that it has no white tint because of that reason. A lot of products with SPF in them tend to kind of have a whitish tint. I'm not entirely sure if this is available in different sizes, but it looks like there are a lot of other products by Purlisse. They have a 4-in-1 cleansing milk. They have a Comfort Daily Lip Nourisher. They have a whole kind of set of similar products with this line. They even have a Blue Lotus Seed Mud Mask Exfoliant. They have Pure Delicate Cleansing Cream that almost looks exactly like this. And all of their products kind of come in different sizes. The Balancing Moisturizer that doesn't have SPF in it does come in a 0.5 ounce size, basically. So they have different facial treatments, lots of different things that they recommend using with this product in conjunction with this product for better skin. This product is described as having Blue Lotus. They claim it has quote unquote flower power, which I think is kind of funny, but it says Blue Lotus Balancing Moisturizer with white tea, vitamin E, and French marine plants, glides on like gel and hydrates like a cream. This is a fast-absorbing formula that instantly delivers intense hydration and prevents fine lines and wrinkles for healthy, dewy, and supple skin. I can definitely vouch for what it claims. Like, it has vitamin E, it has white tea, so it does have sort of this soothing type of property to this product. It is moisturizing. It does kind of go on like a gel. I wouldn't have really thought about that, but as far as being like an end-all be-all for moisturizers, this is a product I'd say would work a lot better if you're someone who has oily skin. It says it works on all skin types, or it says sensitive, dry, and normal, but honestly, I have sensitive, dry skin, and this doesn't really work on its own as a daily moisturizer. Yes, it doesn't leave as much as a white kind of leftover tint on your face the way that a straight up sunblock would. And yes, it does glide on wonderfully under makeup. It is an incredible product for that. It is smooth. It does even out your complexion. It is very nice. They, kind of talk about how it's perfect under, for any outing as an SPF. It's really light. It's an SPF 30, but definitely, I would say the majority of the population could definitely just use this product and be totally happy with a daily moisturizer. For me, I would have to say with a drier complexion, you definitely want to try to put a little more moisture on your face, because this isn't necessarily going to fully hydrate your skin. In the moment, it will hydrate your skin, but as it kind of sets in and absorbs throughout the day, you're going to start to have dryness. It's not really an end-all be-all, and at that point you might want to opt for just a higher, if you're someone with like sun sensitive skin, just opt for a different moisturizer and combine it with an SPF or another moisturizing SPF cream. This is great. It's soothing. I love this brand, but it's not like an all-inclusive kind of hydrating moisturizer for dry skin. So definitely, if you have dry skin, you're gonna want to be wary of that. It's white in color. I don't notice that it smells like anything in particular. A lot of people, have been in the reviews of this product say that they can kind of detect the slightest smell of sunscreen. I don't really, but it makes sense. It is just sort of kind of sunscreen combined with a lotion. And the features of this product, it says that Blue Lotus extract is a quote powerhouse antioxidant. I think that's why they say flower power in the description. The benefits are known to combat against free radical damage, which is kind of cool. If you live in an area with high pollution, free radical damage definitely is something that you are affected by. So that is a good thing to note about this product. White tea in this product offers an antibacterial skin soothing abilities, while vitamin E prevents premature aging and improves skin texture. French marine plants help retain moisture and promote skin radiance. So that's kind of cool. It's a product that I would say has a great rating on Amazon. Most people have nothing but favorable things to say about it, and I would have guessed that because the majority of the population doesn't have super dry skin. I would say most people have more of an oily combination skin, and this would go so light and so perfect under makeup. And it still works for me. I just have to combine it with something to make it, to kind of pump up that moisture component of the product. But yeah, incredible reviews. You know, I've never used it anywhere but my face and neck. I think that if you're acne prone, this is a great product for you. It's definitely never made me break out. You know, ingredient list is kind of like a mix of natural and chemical. It's got, you know, different kinds of butylene glycol, cetyl alcohol, disodium EDTA, a bunch of, you know, chemical compounds that are difficult to pronounce. It contains dimethicone, is one of the, actually, it is the third ingredient is dimethicone, so it does have silicones in it, but then towards the bottom of the list, you know, which means lesser amounts of this, but they have lemon peel oil and bergamot oil and lime oil and, you know, citrus, all this, you know, vitamin C enriched, antioxidant rich kind of oils that help to, you know, anything that's vitamin C is going to help you with your skin. That's basically the one thing that vitamin C is really good for, is your skin, despite what myths will tell you. So they say gently smooth over face day and night after cleansing. For extra nourishment, you can use the Blue Lotus Youth Serum. So you can always try their Blue Lotus Youth Serum with this product. I'm sure that combined, those would make a really great option for those of us with dry skin. But if you don't have dry skin, and if you're sensitive and acne prone, I definitely recommend this product. It's an incredible, you know, under makeup, sun protecting moisturizer, daily moisturizer. I definitely could not recommend it higher. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching.